Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends in your FC24 on PC. So to do this, when you are on the main menu, you have to click on the tab button. In my case, that's on the keyboard. You can find this actually on the right bottom corner. As you can see, you can also click it with the mouse or with your controller. And here you can add friends by going to the friend requests or simply player search. So if someone sends you the request, you can just accept right here, but also you can search for a player. For example, we can type Haaland, and as you can see, there's 10 players with the Haaland nickname, and if you want to add any of this player, you can just click OK and send the friend request. And if you have any friends, you can find them on this first tab right here. In my case, the friend list is empty. And there's also recently meet. So if you play with someone, it was fun, you can also add him to the friends. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.